Hi, my name is Dr. Preet. I'm the co-founder and director of Glamyo Health, India's leading asset-light healthcare startup focused on secondary care surgeries. So I was fortunate enough to be part of the roundtable where we discussed the opportunities and the areas of collaboration between India and UAE, more specifically on the lines of health tech and the needs or the unique needs of each country as such. I think that session was moderated by Dr. Aman Puri, and it had participation from various walks of life. Few of the listed insurance companies were also there, and few of the promising startups were also there. So we discussed a lot of things on how India and UAE can partner with each other. I must congratulate India Global Forum on putting up such sort of a varied audience and such a varied or a curated set of speakers, right, coming from distinguished areas in their field of expertise. So I've met a lot of regulators. So I met with Dirk, who regulates the Abu Dhabi health, right. Then we've had the pleasure of meeting His Excellency Rajiv Chandrasekhar yesterday and understand his views on India stack as a whole, and now how can we apply that India stack sort of an equivalence to healthcare stack in exporting that to global south. All right, so that is one point that I think came out very clearly. So extremely engaging audience and extremely engaging sort of a set of speakers you've been able to pull through. So kudos to you. The Minister, His Excellency, touched upon a very pertinent point that India-UAE relations have existed. I mean, the earliest documented sort of a proof of that is 4,000 years, four centuries, right? So we naturally have a sort of a liking, or we gravitate towards one another because our cultures are essentially similar. Our traditions are essentially similar to what we follow in India. So there is a natural sort of a progression of collaboration between India and UAE. We've seen that in financial thing. We are now seeing that in health tech, right? So overall, a great scope for India and UAE to collaborate.